this wonderful van back here, Gray and Grumpy on YouTube. And let's go take a little tour of their van. Well, let's go up and meet Gray and Grumpy. How are we doing today?
Oh, just peachy.
That's wonderful.
That's good for Grumpy.
Well, if you'd like to give me a little tour of your van and tell me maybe one of your favorite places that you like to go and your least favorite place that you like going.
Oh gosh. Well, this is Bob. Our van's name is Bob. And I guess favorite would be Alaska or Newfoundland. Least favorite? Home. After a trip. How about you?
I would agree with that.
Would you agree with that?
I would agree with that too, going home, definitely.
Yeah.
Well, let's maybe step inside and take a little tour.
Come on in. I'll show you the pretty fun stuff in the house, and then he can show you the guts. How's that?
That works for me.
This is Bob, and we started out, we got it with a swivel seat, which we use daily, because this is our kitchen, living room, workspace, everything area.
Oh yeah, you have a nice little work table over there. You
We have a
bet.
work table, makeup area. This is kind of the office, also where Grumpy eats his dinner and breakfast. And then for me, I have a nice pop-up table where I can sit. We can work here as well, but it's really nice because it's also a kitchen extension. Some little hidden spaces we added after our Alaska trip is here where we keep our drone. And then we have a bunch of other little hidden spaces where
Oh hey, that's handy.
if you have a space you use it, there's another one under here. So we have a 3-burner cooktop for you, as well as an oven. And then my counter area with plenty of storage for all of our kitchen things. We have a super deep sink, double-headed faucet, which it's great because this is also good storage and plenty of room if you want to do a sponge bath, wash your hair, whatever. Down this side, we have our shower, which is huge, 24 by 36.
Wow, that is a big shower.
Plenty of room to move around.
And you have your toilet and stuff there
And we
too.
have a composting toilet, which we built in here as well.
Very nice.
And if we move back, we have our fridge, so plenty of room. We don't have to bend down to get into it, which is a plus. And then we have a double pantry,
Oh, lucky. I like that.
which is getting low since we've been at Van Fest. And after that, this is just a pull-out shelf. It can go back under the pantry if you want more room for when you're washing dishes and such. But that's how we get into our bed.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Well, let's go take a tour of the garage.
Yeah, come on around and we'll show you the garage and all the good stuff. The good stuff.
Out of your walls and height of the bed, and the garage space was designed around those 2 e-bikes. We wanted to make sure they would fit.
Hey, baby Brent.
We originally had a slide, but we ended up being very heavy, so we put a slide in, weighed the van, pulled out all the stuff for the slide. So it's now a little more muscling them in there, but we deal with it. We have a propane box that vents out the bottom. There's a 20-pound tank in there. We have 800 watts of solar on top, feeding 2 chins, 300 amp batteries, so 600 amp hours total. And all of our components are Victron, which I would highly recommend because 1, they've worked very well, and 2, they communicate together very well. And I don't know what else there really is to talk about. We have a 40-gallon water tank.
Do you guys have an outdoor shower and stuff too?
We have an outdoor shower here.
You do have an outdoor shower there, okay?
We really haven't used it as a shower. Mostly it's for washing feet and that,
Okay.
or something, shoes or whatever. But we do have a pop-up shower here if we ever needed to shower outside.
Okay.
We could.
Nice. Well, thank you very much.
We have a 10-water gray tank. Our 10-gallon gray tank.
Now, how long will it take you to fill that 10-gallon tank, being so small?
Generally, we do Navy showers, so it's about 2 to 2.5 gallons per shower for both of us. So we can do 4 showers before filling them. And we have a tank under our sink, which is just our sink for gray water. That's 4 gallons.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Well, thank you guys very much for your tour. We greatly appreciate it. Just a couple questions here before we end. If there was something you could change about your van after doing van life in it, what would you change?
On a count of 3. 1, 2, 3. The oven.
So we have a propane cooktop oven. The oven does not have good temperature control, and it doesn't always stay lit. So you're always constantly opening the door to see if it's lit. So if we were to do it again, we would still do a propane cooktop, but we would get one of those combination convection microwave air fryer ovens and replace the stove with that.
Wonderful. That sounds like a great upgrade. And do you guys have any social media links, YouTube, Instagram, stuff like that you'd like to share?
Instagram and YouTube, Gray and Grumpy.
Perfect.
I'm not grumpy.
You are not grumpy.
So you got him to smile, so I guess not all the time, right?
Perfect. Thank you guys very much for sharing your van. We greatly appreciate it.
Thank you.
So I'm out checking out a couple vans and stuff, and I found this van right here that I found really interesting, and we're gonna go take a peek and meet at the couple that owns it. So let's go take a look. All right, this is the wonderful couple that owns this van. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself?
I'm Matt, this is Brittany.
Hello.
Wonderful to meet you guys. Now, where are you folks from?
We live in New Hampshire.
Right here in New Hampshire. And this is tell us a little bit about your van and give me a little van tour if you could.
2020 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
We call it the Spritzer. So I don't know if you want to take a tour, but I can walk in here. I guess I can let Matt do some of this, but
He can do the garage.
Yeah. So we've got our sink here, microwave. We have air conditioner here, stealth air conditioner, which vents out this way and down through the floor. We've got this wonderful counter that pops up if we want extra space, which is great. Let's see if I can close it from here. I'll let Matt close it. Induction cooktop.
Single
right
burner?
Here. Yep, single burner. We've got a freezer, refrigerator over here. And we do have an extra one down here right now just because of the potluck food. extra space. Cabinetry here, and under here, 3 drawers here. We have these wardrobes that open up from the wall on both sides. So mine's over there, his is here. It goes pretty deep. Through here we kind of use packing cubes, to throw our clothes in there. These all open up all the way down. There's some space under this seat as well, and you can actually push this bed back. It's a bifold mattress, so there's a table that pulls out, and you can seat more people, probably 4 adults comfortably, around this table if you want to. We've got a surveillance system here, so you can see all around the van. Lights that are on a dimmer here, all the controls as far as fresh water tank, gray water tank, so you know where you're at. Pump, the gray water dump system, water heater, all that stuff, electrical. We've got our toilet, which is just a cassette toilet. Generally, we just kind of pop that out, and then we can use the shower, so you have a full space of the floor to move around the shower, which is great. There's a light in there that you can just pop on and off if you want it. What else, Matt? What am I missing? Lights back there.
800 amp hours of battery.
Yep.
680 watts of solar.
Well, let's go take a peek at the garage and show me.
The max air fans, very important. 2 of them.
Yes, you have
one
to
in the
have.
front and one in the back. Yeah.
You have to have
Help with
ventilation.
circulation,
Absolutely.
yeah. So these lovely bug nets we added on.
Them are a must-have as
Yes,
well.
100%. Keeps it nice and clean. No bugs in there.
Let's take a look at the garage.
Come on in. So we have a nice big garage back here. We're able to fit 2 electric e-bikes. The 3.0 foldable electric bikes fit back here, no problem. We have a 20-pound propane tank area that's vented outside, so we have propane heat inside. Then we have this comes down and that comes down, and you actually have the solar charger, 2 Tesla batteries that, like I said, give us 800 amp hours, and then in the back there's a heater to keep the lithium batteries warm in the winter. This is also just a switch just to change from shore to alternator. But yeah, other than that, that's it. We have a bunch of room and the beds.
We've added obviously the Van Essential magnetic window coverings in all the windows that we have.
And how much
Trailer
solar
hitch.
did you have on the roof? Did you say
680 watts.
680 watts of solar?
Yep.
Now, if there was something that you guys could change about your van, if money was no object, what would you change if you could?
Lift kit and make it a 4x4, so we'd have 4-wheel drive. That would be
Perfect.
nice.
Now, do you guys have any social media that you'd like to share? YouTube, Instagram, or anything like that?
We have a QR code around the corner, but it's at Campa Couple, so just like the Boston accent, it's spelled CAMPHA couple on Instagram and just starting out on YouTube. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for your tour. We greatly appreciate it. You guys
for
have a
coming
great
by.
day and safe travels.
Same to
You
you.
too, man.
We appreciate
Nice
it.
to meet you
Thank
guys.
you.
How are you, my man?
How you doing?
I gotta come over and check out your
Okay.
van. That's so cool. Oh, it's a generator. I was wondering what you had in there.
Oh, yeah.
I wasn't sure if that was like a Webasto, like diesel heater or something. You had it on the outside. Yeah, I noticed you had
Yeah,
ducting and stuff over on that side.
Yes.
Man, you've really got that set up quite well
Thank you.
for such a small spot.
Thank you. Let me
Sure.
open this up so you can get a better view.
That's really cool, my man.
Thank
Your
you.
little TV up there on the swivel arm.
Exactly, yes.
Nice.
It's actually one of the tablets that it joins with your phone. You can play videos with it.
Yeah, yeah.
And actually, I found out that it has an input for a rear view camera.
Oh, it does.
So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put cameras all around the van
So you can use that for security.
for security. So I can, if
Super
I can get a
convenient.
knock, I can see who's up there before I.
And then you have it right on the swivel arm. You can move it wherever you need
I
to.
can watch YouTube videos
Yeah.
or
Now, do you do YouTube videos yourself at all? No?
No.
Okay. Do you have any social media at all you'd like to share?
I got an email address, but that's about it.
You don't want to give that out to everybody.
Yeah. I don't do this for competition or anything.
Sure.
I just did it because I like fishing.
Yeah.
So I go up salmon fishing, and every time it was you have to make reservation like 7 months ahead of time. And I say, I don't want to deal with that, so that's why I built this up.
Now, how long have you been like car camping in general?
Well, I've been doing this fishing for quite a while. I had a Suburban, which I had something similar to it,
Sure.
but that took the motor blew, so I ended up buying this, and most comfortable. But the power, the power issue and the weight issue is completely with this. I had to put extra lift springs.
Yep.
I had to put sumo pumps because I felt like the weight was too much.
Yep. Well, you have it really nicely set up.
Thank you. Thank
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing.
You. You're welcome. And you notice the bed? The bed?
What? Oh, it folds out.
It's like a futon,
Yep.
but you can actually sleep a couple sleeping there.
Oh, you can get enough room for that, huh?
Yes. So,
Okay, no big. Set it up. Let's see.
so this is the way. You slide it up.
Oh, nice.
Okay. So I left one of the cushions at home because I knew I was going to be solo, so I didn't need it. So I can put this here, and now it becomes this wide, which is a little tight.
Yeah.
You have to be very friendly to get in there.
Yeah.
And then you can slide it forward. And that's where I hit the wall. I couldn't figure out. It took me 3 months to figure that out.
I'll be dang. That works pretty slick, though.
So let me show you.
Well, that slides out from there. Solid. Oh, yeah.
So I wanted to have it in a way that I didn't have to have an extra cushion floating around, because I could have had it made the same level and put the cushion somewhere else, and then when I was going to get it ready to go to sleep, I would put the cushion and done with it. But then I will have a floating cushion everywhere. So what I did is I had the cushion right under here.
Oh.
then it slides out.
Oh, that just slides right out. You made it so it can slide out.
But now I have this problem. Still not comfortable.
Yeah.
So and now it's the same level.
Oh, look at that. You made it so the brackets hold it up for support to make it the same height. That is super slick.
And also it slides right out.
Oh, it extends out to be as wide as the other side.
So the cushion that I left home, it belongs there, and now two persons can sleep there.
Nice. Well, thank you very much for sharing with us. We really
You're very
appreciate
welcome.
that. Thank
You're very
you.
welcome. Thank you for stopping.
Thank you.